What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today's a red day. I hate it, but I'm going to show you how it went down. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this day here today. Red day for me. Started off the day red on, Fossil. And then I went after PPSI. PPSI kind of shook me out on, I probably had like 65% of my position left in it after a few take profits. Shook me out, extended higher. It would have brought me back green on the day. Had I been able to hold on to it, it would have brought me back green on the day. But nonetheless, we'll jump into this here really quickly. All trades, if you're watching this on YouTube, we went over on the Discord. There is a link in the description section and comment section to the Discord. Very easy to sign up. Just click the link and you follow the prompts. It's going to take you like 5 minutes or less and you'll be in the Discord in no time. Now, this morning, Fossil gapped up, good earnings, good forward guidance, a lot of good information coming out of Fossil. And we were eyeing this 1938 zone right here, so mid-19s, for a potential break and hold. We did break above it, and we established a high at 20 bucks, I want to say. Let's see here. A high of $20 exactly. All right, and we had room to run towards 2340s, but I suspect that some of this chopped consolidation from back here was to blame for that $20 rejection. Now, we started to, after pushing up here, we started to hold this level here, which was VWAP, all right, and this 1930s area that we drew on the daily chart. So right here, I came in and got long on Fossil. Let me grab my alerts. Long Fossil 1954, stop 19 area. And this next candle did that disgusting dump. And I stopped out of it at 1889. And that was it. That was the end of it. Fossil hasn't done anything since. Clear VWAP resistance on that one. So that was a very disappointing loss. I thought we'd get a nice little move towards 23, 24 bucks. Would have been a really nice trade. Really nice trade. And it would have been a low risk trade in the sense of it was a very slow mover, lots of liquidity and all that good stuff. But nope, the sucker had other plans and came back down here. So at this point, I wouldn't be surprised to see it come down to the $16 zone. So we were also watching AFRM, nothing there, right? Nothing there on that one. Watching SoFi for a $25 break and hold. Couldn't get it going. So nothing there right now on SoFi. And watching Rivian. We were watching for a break and hold of 110, okay, and it did it right before the bell for a move back to 115, and right before the bell, it did exactly that. It broke 110 and held it, pulled back into it, held it, and then just launched to 115. And well, here you are today, new highs on Rivian here, gotten up here towards 122, 250 zone. So it was a difficult trade this morning, to be honest with you. You had one failed attempt at VWAP here, and then you broke through VWAP and you began to hold it as support, and then it broke underneath it. So very choppy overall trade. So if you're red on this name, don't even beat yourself up about it because it has not traded cleanly. Okay. And then came PPSI. PPSI was my next trade this morning, and that trade came in here. We'll scroll back. That trade came in here. We had our first pullback on PPSI into this $9 zone here, 890s, stuff like that, right? And right in here, I went ahead, got long on PPSI. So long 886, stop 880 area, okay? We quickly give a little pop here towards those 915 area, and I take a small piece of profit. You know what? Let me make the circle a little bit smaller. Hold on. What we'll do is we'll make it a little bit cleaner to see. Entry. I took a little piece of profit off up here at 914. Then we get up here towards the highs. Whoops. Towards the highs right here. And I put out an order at 920. Let me make sure. Yep, 920. I put out an order on the ask at 920. I catch a fill. The high of this candle is 927. The previous high of day was 929. I get a fill at 920. All right, and I'm still in the bulk of my position. And I was looking for a move towards 10. That would have brought me well into the green on the day, making back all my red from fossil and paying me nicely. But this candle right here, we make that attempt at the highs and we reject instantly on an increase in volume. And usually that's a bearish signal, and you'll get a lot of shorts come in there and a lot of longs will give up on it. We're like, oh, we couldn't break the high a day, high volume rejection, I'm out of it. So more often than not, that has saved me money over the long run. So in this case here today, I exited the remainder of my position at 898. So I still made a little money on that exit, but not enough, right? So that basically knocked my red on the day by half. Right, so basically by half, it knocked my red on the day, and it kind of sucks because then it made the move that I wanted. I already had pre-typed orders out there. I was going to take some profits off at 939, and I had some more orders to put out at 944, 945, and I was going to hold on to a good little chunk to see if we can get to $10. And what happens next? We trap the bears, and bang. All the way up here, I would have definitely been flat in that $10 zone, line we drew in pre-market. And sure enough, look, that's where we've topped out today. So if it wouldn't have been for that candle and that high volume rejection of the highs, I'd be green on the day. So, I got to stick to my rules. I got to stick to my analysis. And that's a mid-trade analysis. High volume rejection of the highs more often than not has saved me more money than I've lost out on making. So, if I had to jump in a time machine, go back in time, erase my memory, take this trade again, I would do the same thing. So I can't be too upset about it. Small red day. I was looking at my stats today. First red day in 6 days. Prior to that, I only had one red day in the last 6 days. So over the last 12 days, 2 red days, I'll take it. Let's continue killing it. All right, guys, so I've told you about the Discord. It's completely free to join, and I want to show you how easy it is to join. So here you are on one of my videos, right? You scroll down here, you see free Discord. You click that button, all right? It's going to take you over to the Discord website on your phone or app, and then you'll just click continue to Discord if you already have the app. If not, you'll click to open an account. What do you need to open an account? Nothing. It's just your email and your name, a username that you want to use, and a password, and that's it. You're in, right? So in the case of already having the app on your phone or on your computer, you just click join, right? Connect, and you can log in either through the website or through the app itself. So see here, you would come here, bang, welcome back. If you're new, if you already have an account, you type in your email or your phone number, whatever you want to use to log in with. Boom, your password, and you log in. That's it. It's that simple. If you need an account, you can click register, and all you do is put an email address, a username, a password, okay? And then you select your date of birth as you please, and then you click continue. All right, so that's it. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes to join the free Discord. So go ahead, take advantage of that and jump in there, do it, and I'll see you in the Discord tomorrow. So guys, once you join and you're able to get in there, right? Filled out the information, you have your username, you're ready to join the Discord, to come on in here and chat. Hustlers Den, that's where you'll be welcomed here. As you can see, yesterday a bunch of new members came through, clicking hi to everyone, and we'll be there chatting away in the mornings, in the afternoons. Just James, one of our mods, Small Cap King right there, talking about some trades. Sometimes we're in here at night talking as well, because that's the beauty of this chat. It's open 24 hours a day. You also have the DTC lounge for the DTC members. So you'll see us in there talking about our trades, bouncing ideas off of each other. This is DTC members, DTC Pro members, right? You have charts where you can come in and talk and share charts. You got the stock bot where you can come in here, type in tickers and analyze charts with the bot there as well. You have my trades, my alert section there, bang, and so on and so forth. And you have the live stream section where you'll have access to once you become a DTC member. So it's really, really easy to join. And once you're in, you have an immense amount of free content that you have access to in the Hustler's Den alone, let alone all the other tabs that you have access to. All right. So if you have any questions, let us know. But once you join, let me know, and I'll make sure to come back around and say hi to you. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll book this little red day, move on. Tomorrow's a new day. Let me know how you did. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And I'll see you on Monday in the live stream. Have a great weekend.